My name is Venerable Manjing, and I come from Nevada Buddhist Association. I represent this Buddhist temple for the exhibition. And for this year, our main theme is Medicine Buddha. Medicine Buddha, he represents the Buddha that healed any illness. In the middle, we have the Medicine Buddha and all the 7 Buddhas and 7 Medicine Buddha. And this is the way that we shows the Eastern Pure Land. And also the candlelight is offering. And the summary represents our monastic community that we practice. And all these books and the elephants represents the strength that we put on our corporation. And the flowers is also an offering to the Medicine Buddha. And especially at this time of the COVID-19, we would like the assistance and the help of the Medicine Buddha, let him to help all of us to cure this disease. And we pretty much need the help of him. And the way that shows us is if we chant the Medicine Buddha's name, then we will have his help to release this disease. But then the most important is we should cultivate ourselves and to practice his teachings. And the 12 vows of Medicine Buddha actually help all of us. And also we can chant the mantra of Medicine Buddha that can help us too. And for this time being, although it's a very difficult time, but then if all of us can help each other for chanting the Medicine Buddha's name, then I think we will recover very soon and we can pass this difficult time. And especially when we face this disaster, we have to calm down our mind, and in that time to chant the Medicine Buddha, we can help ourselves too.